Okay. Now, in this thing, maintenance part, this is one more definition we can say. Maintenance is defined as the required process. It is the required process services undertaken to preserve, protect, enhance, and care of the building fabric and services after completion. So maintenance, very important point note down to here is after the completion it will be coming. This includes services which will be there for what? To protect, preserve, enhance, and care for the buildings. Okay. So in accordance with what? So all these procedures, all these services will be done according to some standards, which are according to some standards. For what reason? To serve their intended function, throughout the entire span, throughout the entire life span. Okay. So building is an asset whose value changes in accordance with the quality and quantity of maintenance invested in them. Means what? If you are doing a proper maintenance periodically, the building's value will increase. Building value will increase. So this is one typical diagram which different activities or operations you can say it for the maintenance. Roof work, window, okay, ceiling work, window repair work, cleaning, okay, washing, everything are part of the maintenance work. Okay, this is one maintenance layout. So in this one we can say broadly classify maintenance into preventive and breakdown maintenance, or you can say corrective breakdown, preventive, corrective. Okay, in the preventive you have time based, means periodical, condition based maintenance. Okay, two categories are there. Now, in the preventive maintenance, is generally it is carried out to avoid the breakdown of machinery and occurrence of maintenance problem in buildings and services. Before breakdown only, these are taken care. Works of preventive maintenance are carried out on the basis of regular inspection survey. Means what? To have a preventive maintenance schedule, you need to have an inspection survey. That is the key point. That's all. Okay. So it includes what? It includes works to prevent deterioration of building. So deterioration may be due to pollution, fungi, insect, subsidence, flooding, etc. etc. Okay. So the seepage may also cause the deterioration of the building. Preventive maintenance, in that there are two types. What are those? Two types. Planned maintenance. It is a regular proactive failure management on a runtime or a lifetime of machine or utility. Planned maintenance means what? Example for your bike servicing. Okay. So there is a continuous regular process only which is a proactive. Whatever may be the case, every 1000 kilometer or 600 kilometer you go to the service center. That is a planned maintenance. Okay. Now in the condition based maintenance, here what is happening? A maintenance based on expert advice on measured values and performance indication. So what you will do? You will come, okay, your bike or your vehicle is have to go for servicing after this much time. Okay, so that is called as condition based maintenance. In this corrective maintenance, it is a common method to carry out the repair rehabilitation when an item fails. When it fails, or when it falls below the level of an acceptable standard, this method is known as corrective maintenance. When machine is not performing its standard value, or when one machine fails to perform itself, then we go for corrective maintenance. It often warrants no action until failure occurs, and then repair or replacement become a matter of urgency. Here, until and unless there is a failure, you are not going for maintenance. So later on it will become a matter of urgency. Corrosion, repair of cracks, etc. comes under corrective maintenance. Okay. Breakdown maintenance involves the repair of replacement of equipment and components after they have failed. Okay, it includes repair and replacement after the failure. This kind of management strategy can be contrasted with preventive and predictive maintenance, which are designed to avoid the failure. What is happening? Preventive or predictive, you are planning something, but in this type of corrective measure, After failing only, you are going for the repair work. Okay. Here the policy of breakdown maintenance. Here the policy of breakdown maintenance is that the facility or the business has scheduled. See, I will explain this one. Scheduled to close or cease the operations, especially if there are no plans to continue using the equipment afterward. Okay, what is happening here is, if you are a company owner and you have some lathe machines or something like that, and you want to close that factory, you want to close that workshop, so in that way you are not going for a predictive maintenance or preventive maintenance. When you want to close or cease your operations, so that time you are not going for preventive maintenance. Only if failure or breakdown happens, then only you are going for maintenance work. Okay, so that is the meaning of this sentence. Need. What is need, or what is the meaning of significance of maintenance? In general, you can say you are a building owner, you assume that way. Okay, you have a building property. It is your responsibility to ensure, that building is always kept in a state that ensures what? Safety and occupants who are in it. Okay, building safety is also there, and the persons or occupants who are living there, the safety of them is also assured. Okay, that is why maintenance is significant or necessary. Okay. Now here proper building repair and maintenance. What they do they provide safe. They give safety and healthy working place. The both things they are providing. Maintenance provides a safety and healthy place to work, as well as boost the resale value of the same. Means what? After 10 years also, if you are maintaining your building in a very correct condition, you can resell it to another person a very good margin of profit. Okay, safety provides, healthy provides, as well as resale. That is also another necessary or significance of the this one. Commercial property you own commercial property you own has a lot of exposure to adverse weather conditions. What are the other conditions? Rain, sun, heat, temperature, or climatic condition. Okay, so due to that exposure to the weather condition, some parts, what are those some parts? Maybe roofs, windows, doors, paint application, wood and other materials will start what? Decaying or deteriorating. They will suffer. Okay, if such arising damages in that building are not addressed properly, if those are not addressed properly, later on it will lead to a costly one. It will lead to costly kind of a thing. Okay. On the top of this is the fact that building staying in disrepair. If you are not doing, okay, if you are not doing your repair work or maintenance work properly, what will happen? The persons who are occupying, no, your tenants, you have given a rent to someone else, no, so those will be having serious damage later on. Okay, their life is in danger. Okay. In order to prevent the status of the building and the interiors of the building, you will as well need to perform periodic inspection, maintenance of the roofs, gutters, drains, and foundations of the building. See, okay, both the things are necessary. One is periodic maintenance and maintenance of general part or important parts. Why is this roof? What is the main part? Why it is the most exposed part to the weather condition.